Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a bank account or a payment method to your Google AdSense account. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this method works the same for you. This is fairly simple to do and it's very easy to follow along, so I have no doubts you'll be able to follow my instructions. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go to Google and search for Google AdSense. After searching for this, you'll be brought up by this page for Google AdSense. This is the advertisement, and we want to enter this. This will be in your own language. Currently, it is not in English. It will only be in English if you are in an English-speaking country. But yeah, guys, this will be in your own language. So go ahead and click on the login button up in the upper right corner, and you will be able to log into your Google AdSense account after you have connected it to your Google account. If you do not know how to connect Google AdSense to your Google account, then go watch our other video where we explain how to connect the accounts. But yeah guys, after entering Google AdSense and logging into your account, you'll be brought up by this main page here, which shows you how to get started. If you guys look at the left side of the page, you'll see all of these options that we have to choose. We want to go up here, down here, up to the payment option, and we want to click on this payment option. So after clicking on payments, you'll see that this is now brought up two new options called payments info and verification check. We want to go ahead guys and go ahead and click on payments info, and this will bring you to this page where you will be able, as you can see here, the button says add payments account. You will want to go ahead guys and click on this button right here, and now guys, you'll be able to add payment information to your account. You can select if you're an individual, you want to enter your email and so on, and you will click submit. After doing that guys, you will be able to connect your bank account on the next page to your Google AdSense account, and you can get started with using and withdrawing money. But yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you connect a bank account to your Google AdSense account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.